Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you Dreamina AI tutorial. So if you want to create stunning AI videos in seconds, meet Dreamina, your new favorite AI video tool, and yes, unlimited use. Let's go. So what is Dreamina AI? Here, Dreamina AI is an AI tool created by CapCut.com. So here I'm also signing up using my CapCut account. So it's easier for you if you have CapCut account. You can just use your CapCut account and then you can log in into your into the Dreamina AI. So how to access it? You can just go to the Dreamina.ai or here this one dreamina.capcut.com, and you can sign up with your Google email or CapCut account. And here this is the home page. As you guys can see, there's this explore page, so you can see there are lots of AI images and also videos created by Dreamina. This is some preview of the other creators, what the other creators make, like this one, this video, or there are also lots of images here. And here, this is the create page. This is where your history is. This is asset if you already make projects in Dreamina AI. This one is canvas. So here, if you want to create a video or a picture with Dreamina, you can just here click on this. You can choose whether you want to create AI image, AI video, avatar, or mimic motion. But this is coming soon, so it's not available yet. So here I'm going to just create an image. I think let's write a prompt. So let's say a futuristic city at sunset with cinematic lighting. So I'm going to go with this prompt and choose your type of AI image, video, or avatar. I'm going to just go with image to make it quick, and here you can just click on this arrow to start generating the AI. You can just wait until you can see the final results, and Dreamina will provide you with some of the with some options. So there's not only one, so you can choose the best result from this. You can also edit the prompt again if you want to. Okay, so here are the results. You can just choose the one that you like the best, and here you can download it right away, or you can also edit it again. You can remove it, you can retouch the image or generate the video with the same prompt, expand, in paint, upscale, or creative upscale. And if you want to create another one, here you can just add or change the prompt in here and choose the type of AI that you want to create. So if you want to turn your imagination into cinematic videos, Dreamina is a game changer. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.